Hello bachcho, now see the achiever section question. In achiever section question, each question is 2 marks. So be careful while attempting this type of question. So question number 26 here. Consider the following statements and choose the correct option. Statement 1 is here: a man cuts down the trees and modifies his environment to make life comfortable. By deforestation, he clears the land for agriculture, industries, and habitat. Now, statement 2: plants and animals are interdependent. The decay of dead plants and animals provides nutrition to the soil, which in turn helps in growth of plant and trees. Now, see the which option is correct here. So statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is incorrect, no. Statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct, no. Both statements are correct. So option C is right answer for this question. Now move for question number 27. Different bird species have differently shaped beak because each species has evolved a beak design that suits its diet and lifestyle. Observe the beaks of these birds below. Which of these birds cannot eat flesh? So see the option here. Here hen, E eagle, F this. Only D. Which of these birds cannot eat flesh? So only D, no. Only E, no. Only F, no. Both D and F. D and F cannot eat flesh. So option D is right answer for this question. Now move for next question. Question number 28. The given picture shows the fruit of plant called cockleber. Choose the method by which the seeds in the fruit are dispersed. So see the figure first. Seeds are carried on an animal's fur. Seeds are carried by water. Seeds are eaten by an animal. Seeds are blown by the wind. So option A is right answer for this question. Now move for question number 29. That is, what common characteristic feature is observed between roundworm and tapeworm? So they feed on the dead remains of animal? No. They depend on parasites of food? No. They live on the body of the host? No. They live inside the body of the host? Yes. So this is the common characteristic feature is observed between the roundworm and tapeworm. Option D is right answer for this question. Now see, state which of the following statements are true or false. The painting uses the separation process of evaporation. So first, painting uses the separation process of evaporation. So first option is true. The separation process of winnowing is used to separate salt from water. No, winnowing is the other process. So it is false. And next, water droplets are seen on the outer surface of glass when cold water is poured in it. This is due to the condensation of water vapor present in the atmosphere. This option is true. So true, false, true. Option D is right answer for this question. Now do the next question, that is 31, 32, 33 in next video. Thank you. Like and subscribe this channel and see you in next video.